Hello there! Today we are going to make a telephone. Well, this sounds very interesting because this topic is something different. So let's see, what do we have in our book? Wow, we see 4 steps right here and a 3D telephone too. So let's make the 4 dots first. And then join it with our scale. Go very slow while joining all of this. And yes, at first we will be making a 3D shape. Yes, something like a cuboid. So let's make this together. This looks interesting. The next thing we do is make the telephone receiver. Yes, for which we are going to make a rectangle and then make the bottom part of it. Let's do this together. This looks 3D already, isn't it? Make a lighter drawing so that it is easier for you to erase it if you make any mistake. Let's make the top part now, where the numbers are visible when you type it. And then comes the very important part of making the numbers. Yes, the buttons. This can be a little tricky, so all you have to do is make these lines in a way wherein we make it for each button. Let's make these sleeping lines inside. Yes, this is the design of our telephone. Let's give this a 3D effect by making the side part. And then let's make these buttons. We need to make them aligned, and hence we are going to make these sleeping lines and make them properly. Yes, as all the buttons need to be of the same size. So let's do this together. Once we are done with that, we will make the slanting lines as well. And then erase the extra lines. This was a much better process. Let's erase the lines which are not required now. And then you can redraw all the boxes again. Draw it slowly and nicely, and then give it a 3D effect by making the bottom part. Lovely! All the buttons are ready now. And next is, we need to make the cord of it. So let's try making this together. Let's complete the entire thing in a similar way. Yes, we just have to make the C's one on top of another in order to make the entire chord. Something like this. This looks interesting. And our telephone is done. So let's start sketching this. We will go very slow while sketching and not make a mistake. Be careful of all the overlapping parts and draw this slowly and nicely. You can also use a scale in order to make these lines if you're not confident enough about it. Try making your drawing in a freehand way so that you can practice freehand as well. Let's do this part now. And make sure that you go right on top of the pencil mark. And look at that! Our buttons are ready. Now, let's do this part. Complete the entire thing in a similar way. That is amazing. Let's erase all the pencil marks we see here. And our telephone looks great. Let's start coloring this. Well, we will take a blue color and do this top part first. We can also do this in the buttons. We can take a different shade as well. It is alright if you do not have the exact same shade mentioned in the book. You can take the shade closest to it. Let's take a nice blue color and do this chord as well. And then let's take mint green for our beautiful telephone. Complete the entire telephone with this color. Yes, we need to do the outline properly so that we do not make any mistake. Go slow and complete the entire telephone. Color in one direction and do not leave any white spaces. Give it a little bit of a dark green shade here. Yes, with dark green color. And then we can do mint green on top of it once again. Let's repeat the same step here as well. And do this bottom part in a similar way. Let's do this with a darker green color and then mint green on top of it. Yes, to give it a beautiful shade effect. And finally, we can write the numbers once again so that they are clearly visible. Something like this. This looks amazing, isn't it? Finally, we will make this a little darker with the help of our Persian blue color. And look at that! Our telephone is ready.